Hello, my name is Michael Bewick. I'm a director of JW Greaves, which is the company which owns the Llechwedd site, where we have Quarry Tours and Zip World Titan and Bounce Below. I've been here today because we've been hosting a meeting for the Economy Committee of the Welsh Assembly, who are doing an inquiry into tourism in Wales. So we've had a whole different group of people here today. We actually met in three separate groups of about 6 people. I was with representatives of the Attractions of Snowdonia, which is a consortium we belong to, as well as Kerry Cunnington from Ffestiniog, which is a community company which runs downhill mountain bike tracks here at Llechwedd, and Jen from the Colwyn Bay Mountain Zoo. We also had 2 Assembly members in our group who took part in the discussions that we had. I think the key points we discussed were about Visit Wales and how Visit Wales could best promote tourism in Wales. There was a discussion about the different structures within the tourism industry and how we were interested to see what would happen after the demise of regional tourism partnerships and the restructure in Visit Wales, how that would actually impact on us. There were particular questions about what needed to be done to make tourism work in Wales. A few issues came up. One included maybe mobile phone signals. Here we are in North Wales. It's really important for tourists now to be able to actually access things as they go about, to be online. And actually we have no 4G here in this area of North Wales, which makes it more difficult for people. I think there was a general feeling that actually we were in a period of potential growth and expansion, but that would need to be supported. There was great praise for the capital intervention programmes like the Tourism Investment Support Scheme and also Go Wales. I think where people were perhaps most concerned was in the area of investment and whether there was enough money going into the marketing of Wales and the creation of the brand. So I would have thought it was actually working with Visit Wales to ensure that all of the different stakeholders are aware of what Visit Wales are doing and that the value of the work that they're doing is shared, because what we felt very strongly was that we could amplify the work of Visit Wales, take the things that they're doing and move them forward and share them through our own social media, through our own promotion, but only if we knew what was going on. So actually government as a way of making the Visit Wales communicate with us, that's what we felt should be taken away.